Artifacts are not known to whisper their secrets to you. I was really intrigued by the challenge of trying to make sense of artifacts, to try to pull a narrative out of dirt. Monticello-UVA Archaeological Field School aims to teach students basics about archaeological field methods, that is, the mechanics of trying to take the ground apart in a controlled fashion, and also basic analytical methods so that we can put field observations together on the one hand with observations on artifacts on the other to try to tell a more complete story about human history.
The hands-on experience is so much more than a classroom can provide for most of the time. Here you get to feel the differences in the texture of the dirt. You get to get blisters on your hands and realize that this is difficult work. You really have to be invested. You can learn as much as you want about archaeology, but until you go out and do it, you don't have the experience.
Our work this summer focuses on Site 6. It's about a half-mile east of Monticello Mansion. Specifically, our work is aimed at domestic economies and social relationships among enslaved field laborers. Students have an opportunity to help us figure out how stratigraphic observations and the artifacts that we're recovering can help advance our understanding of the dynamics that comprise Jefferson's Monticello in the 18th and early 19th centuries. Unlike a lot of disciplines, it's inherently a team enterprise.
Even just digging shovel test pits is a very tedious process. You need at least one person to go and help you screen, double check your paperwork. It's all a collaborative effort.
It's really hard to do archaeology alone. You can't dig a site by yourself.
I consider it an honor to be able to work at a site like Monticello. It's a little humbling when you think about how much history is poured into an area like this, because you're rebuilding history and reestablishing an unwritten way that history might have unfolded.